Welcome, Bushcraft family, out and about, doing the exercise thing. It's been a while since I've been out here. This here is Lake Park area, I suppose you'd call it. They got walking areas and all that. It's pretty nice. A little close to the road. I wish it was further in where you didn't hear the road and all that. But they've had some cool things. They got like a mud run and stuff here. Which is they had hiking trails through the area through here, up on a mountain over there. And it wasn't a really big one, like 7 miles altogether or something like that. They went and for the Indian run, they went and made it part of that run, and they widened it out and did a bunch of other stuff and put obstacles in it and kind of ruined the trail just for one day of the year. And then they let it grow up and everything through, you know, COVID and all that stuff. They still went out and did a lot of the hiking and stuff, though. It was fun. But here we have our little walkway. Let me flip you around. This is a walking path. I don't know how long it is altogether, but it's a pretty good ways. It's a nice peaceful area to walk in though. So I thought I would take you guys along with me to get some exercise, and hopefully those who are not deciding to go out and exercise, if anything, just get out in nature. I mean, look at this. Listen to the birds chirping and stuff like that. It'd be really good if it was nice and quiet, but you're gonna have human noises wherever you go, and unfortunately that's just the way it is. But like I said, there's multiple paths through here. It's really nice, and I thought I would bring you guys along with me. And there's another path over that way. I don't think we're going to take that. I think we're going to continue the direction we're going. And this one, Lake Park here also has campgrounds where you can camp. We used to, this was a long time ago, we used to camp out here during some of our kids' birthdays, and kids really enjoyed camping, so it was a treat for everybody to get out in nature and just sit around the fire and tell stories and all that kind of stuff. But they really do a good job. They used to neglect the area quite a bit, you know, not mow and stuff, and they have upped their game quite a bit. A car coming. I don't know if it's coming this way or not, because this part of the walkway over here is actually a road that it's for the campground, because there's a spot to clean out your dark water. I'll leave it at that. And it's real nice. You can sit there, and they have little benches where you can sit and rest and everything. It makes it real nice. Let me flip you around again. You have all that. There's one of the benches right there. And they have benches all over. And they plant trees, and people donate money for the care of the trees and stuff like that for loved ones who have passed, so they can come out here and remember them and whatnot. Very nice trees too. You can go purchase a tree and have them plant it and stuff like that, make donation to the park. Fortunately, there are jerks that destroy stuff. Here's another bench over here. The benches are also a donation type thing. You donate to the park, and they build it. Well, they probably purchase the bench and then put a tag on it and everything for those who donated and whatnot. And I think that's wonderful. I think it's a good way to get income for the park and whatnot. But yeah, I thought I'd take you along for a walk and a talk or whatever. You can really hear the birds chirping over there in the woods over there. Yeah, and those woods over there is where I sometimes go to look for mushrooms. It's close by the river, so it's moist. So you get a lot of good varieties of mushrooms. Fortunately, there's not too many apple trees or crab apple trees over there for morels, but there's others. I've got some good lion's mane and chicken of the woods and rooster or turkey tail, those kind over there. Okay, we're gonna cut over through here. I don't know. Well, let's just go this way. Let me flip it around so I'm not. They're having their breakfast or lunch or something. Oh. I got my little. It's not really a fanny pack because you put it over your shoulder. Carry my water and stuff like that. Yeah, I like how they have all the trees over here. Sometimes I don't like how they cut them down to where they grow weird. You know, they're really short trees, but I understand why they do it. It just seems weird for a big tree to be a little short and stocky little thing. You know what I mean? They also have little parks for playgrounds for the kids. This is primarily for the people at the campgrounds. I figure I'll take you around this curve over here and then let you go, because I don't want to make a really long video. Just thought I would try to encourage people to get out, get into some nature, that kind of thing. Get some exercise, because exercise is very important. You know, I keep forgetting that myself. last week. Oh man, the first 3 days, by the time I got home, I was dead to the world. My body hurt so bad because I wasn't used to working that hard. Bending over using a chainsaw all the time. My back, my back still hurts, but the pain, I try to think as the pain is a reminder of the hard work I put in to help others. Oh, I thought there was somebody behind me, and that kind of helps. You know what I mean? You gotta kind of look at it. Don't look at it as a negative. Too often we look at things as negative things. Gotta try to find the positive in things. My back is hurting because I did a good thing to help people. And that's the positive that you look at. And I don't know if it's going to rain today or not. But it is super nice. The sun is not beating down on you. I think it's in the 60s, if that, or I think it might be like 67, 68, which is fine. Fine by me. Okay. But I think I'm going to let you guys go. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you have a park or just walk around the street, walk around the block a few times. Anyways, get some exercise. Stop being cooped up in your house watching weird bearded men on the internet. Go out and enjoy some nature. Go out and look at the trees. Imagine the stories the trees have to offer. That kind of thing. And with that, guys, I am going to bid you a farewell. God bless.